Hello again, everyone. Ken from Whittling Woods. Just a quick little video today. In the U.S. here in June, it's Father's Day right now, and I'm sure all of you that watch my channel probably have something better to do than watch a long video of me doing a whittle. Hopefully, you're spending time with your family and enjoying your Father's Day holiday. I just wanted to take this opportunity to wish everyone a happy Father's Day. All the fathers, grandfathers, and fathers-to-be, of course, who watch and have subscribed to my channel. Have a very happy Father's Day. The best to you all. I have a few figures, old men here that in representational of the Father's Day holiday, figures that I've whittled over the past year or so. In different woods. I believe some of it was, well, obviously this is a maple. Some of these were done in basswood. I believe a couple of these were also done in, we have a, a professional wood carver out there. If you can hear the little banging, we have a woodpecker outside the window there. So he's joining in to wish everyone a happy Father's Day. But anyway, just have some of the materials out. This here piece of basswood, we all know. I did a figure last week in this, well, actually not a figure, but a little skull in this piece of, or similar piece of basswood. We have walnut over here that I did a bear bottle stopper on not too long ago. Mark, a viewer of mine, sent me this piece of walnut along with this knife over here. A gracious and incredible gift, and I appreciate it very much. Thank you again, Mark, so much. This here is a piece of butternut. I'm thinking of using that for the next video, next week's video, and I'll give you a sneak preview of that in a second here. And this is some of the other tools I use. Obviously, my North Bay Forge knife, you've seen me use this in a number of videos. Pocket knives, these are Rough Rider pocket knives. I use these in quite a number of videos, especially when I do my wood spirits, so be sure to check those out if you're interested. And the good old Stanley 199. You've seen me use this. I've been using a Stanley for quite some time. It's always a great little knife to use. And speaking of knives and whittling, I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of maybe next week's project. So here's a little wolf head, and probably be attempting it in a piece of, this was done, this kind of mock-up or study, so to speak, was done, in basswood, but we'll maybe attempt it in a slightly larger piece of butternut. If you're interested, let me know. And that's really about it. I just wanted to, again, take this opportunity to thank everyone who subscribed, comment. You're all very gracious and kind. It'd be impossible for me to thank you enough. So again, have a happy Father's Day, and enjoy your time. Take your pocket knife with you if you're out at a cookout or a barbecue, and a piece of wood, and whittle while you're waiting for your steak, your hamburger, or whatever your favorite barbecue is. Take your supplies out there and whittle something while you're waiting around. Don't drink while you're whittling, but enjoy yourself today. The best to all of you. Again, I'll see you again soon, and with another little tutorial coming up. Have a great time. Thank you again. Take care.